Let us understand the step-by-step process of adding resources and dependencies in WBS in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the WBS Activities form under the Project Management module. Select Activity Details. You can view the activity ID, name, total quantity and unit details. Under the Resource Estimation tab, select the resource type, group and description. Enter details such as unit of measurement, factor, wastage percentage, estimated rate and GST rate. The estimated amount will auto-populate line item wise based on your selection. Enter the activity days. Activity estimated rate will auto-populate based on the resources added. Under the Estimation Summary tab, you can view the total of all line items in the total estimated amount. You can also add the total estimated amount manually. Select the manual schedule start date and budget head, if applicable. The available budget should be checked to proceed with saving and approval. Under the Estimation Summary tab, enter the overhead and profit percent if applicable. Under the Billing Summary tab, add client activity if you want to bifurcate main client activity from multiple activities. Enter the client activity percentage based on the client activity. Is billable field will be set to no in case WBS activity is created in the Project Engineering module. In case WBS activity is created in the Client Management module, is billable field will be set to yes. This activity will auto-populate in Client JMR form once DPR is done. To create a new WBS activity in Project Engineering module, select is billable field as yes manually, if same to be billed to client. Enter the activity billing rate. The data will be fetched in the DPR from whichever activity it is added to. Under the Bar Chart Settings tab, you can add activity dependency. Under the Dependency Details tab, select the activity level, depends on activity ID. Depends on activity name will auto-populate based on your selection. Select the dependency type. Enter the delay and overlap gap between two activities. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of adding resources and dependencies in WBS activity form is now complete.